subconscious here in Roblox. By the way, guys, matatakot din talaga ako. So, tingnan na lang natin, Okay, why does my body looks like that? Warning, this game contains flashing lights, jump scares, loud noises. For a better experience, use headphones and max quality while playing the game. Okay. My earphones or my audio. Tingnan natin kung nag-work siya. Kasi baka mamaya nag-i-stream tayo. Wala pala tayong mic. Okay. Turn off the other. Okay. My doctor told me to take these pills. They are testing them, but they said they should make me dream. Take your medicine out of the bag. Bakit naman nakalagay dito yung burger? Hindi man lang nilagay sa plato. Okay. Oh, ito na pala. I need to take just one pill. Okay, let's take one. I forgot to close the door. What the hell? It's so vivid. I can't believe it. Vivid? I can't believe it. Grabe yung footsteps, I can't open the door, chat. Nga pala. Before we proceed to the video, you need to subscribe. Hindi ka lang malasin. Dito ba? Anong pipiliin natin? Left or left or right? I think we should go right muna. What is this place? How weird. Do you have to jump? Uy. Tandilim. Oh, we can... Uy, may takbo na siya. I need to find a way to shut off those pipes. What is this? Caution. Watch for hot steam. Let me see. Swim. Akala ko lulubog tayo.
3,
Ayun.
2,
Parang may dumaan na shadow. Okay, sorry about that. Monster na Ang bilis niya kasi, How can I go up? Gagalawin pala to. Wait. Na ba siya? Is it good? Yeah, it's good na. Green na siya. Kanina diba red. Yeah. Why is so dark in here, chat? Ito na lang ata hindi natin na okay na. So, na lang. Ito na lang pala hindi natin isi-switch. Tapos, oh yeah. Ano to? May OB? Is that where White? Easy lang to. Easy. Oh, no. Ano, may checkpoint? No, how am I supposed to go in here? And then, jump. Ding! Kailangan lang pala i-press ng matagal para masara yung elevator. Oh, now we're in office. A, B, C, D. Nga ako, kung kailan nandun, go to this. Inuutusan mo ko. Teka lang ha. Sabi print. Wait. D7. Pipindutin niya sa screen. Daming utos. 18. Ang dami. So, ulit na naman tayo sa umpisa. Wait, yung una kasi, star, square.
Nice.
Yun. Okay, we made a chat. We're out of here. Woo! So, nasiraan tayo mga be. Sino may birthday? Why are we here? This is weird. Find the toys. So we have to like avoid this people. Nakakalanan. Why do I always feels like I'm going to get dizzy from this game? No. Is it? It's like a maze, something like that. Find up at. It's actually just close by, so. But saan yung isa? Yes, it's open. You just need to get out of here. Where are all those monsters, chat? Welcome to the gallery. Okay. Each dreams just keeps getting weirder. Getting weird. Absolutely antique. Ba't ang late ng talon? Like to. So, kailangan natin tumakbo. Tapos, tatalon tayo at the same time. So, let's just try.
Oh, no!
Okay. Dali lang pala. What is this? Weird nakakaanto ka. You have to... Uy. Ba't kasi ang late lang ng talon, chat? Ano? Hero? Ang late kasi ng ano.
Wow!
Where? Yeah. I forgot. Hold. Then, yung baba. I-hold natin siya, guys, ha. Pag ilalaro nyo tong game na to, huwag nyo kalimutan i-hold yung mga ano, baka akala nyo naglalag kayo. Ganun. I-hold nyo siya na ganyan. Uy. Bakit na? What happened? Hindi ko man lang nabasa. This place feels oddly cozy. I kind of want to stay here for a bit. You want to stay here? Ano yan? Ah! Oh. The key is behind the vending machine. Not good. Pag madali kang... natakot. Hindi siya dito. It's not here. Behind the vending machine. Taguan. Ala, hindi ko alam kung paano makaano. Sige. Ano tawag doon yung parang masusuka ka? Alam, parang siyang phobia something. That's the game for today. It's the last. Hindi ko siya kaya, so... Ay, hindi ko kaya. Okay guys, so ayun muna. Doon muna tayo mag-end sa game na to. Hindi ko siya kaya, te. Parang masusuka ako, te. So yeah, those to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.